What up, puppies and mummies and mamacitas? Guys, today is going down and it's real. Today I am basically doing makeup in translation of the real world. How main chicks are, what they is, what the bless's position is, what the side chick's position is, and what is the other nigga, which is probably your main nigga, your main nigga position is. That's what I personally just feel and think, honestly, and what we should all just think and take in and start understanding. Guys, today my makeup look is inspired by nothing, nobody, nah. So guys, let's get right into it. Guys, I don't even know what the hell I'm gonna use for my face. Like, I don't know, not for my face. Where is English rain? I don't know what the hell I'm gonna use for my eye look right now. Like, I'm really trying to go for something that's like spring vibes. Very like warm look. Very like warm look. Okay, y'all, we are about to show y'all how we do these looks. I don't know what I'm going for. I'm pretty much wanting to go for a very warm look. Cause it's springtime. It's time to bring. Honestly, I didn't know what look to go for, but I know that I wanted something very natural, subtle, warm. I got a new man, but I don't type look. So, yeah. What I'm gonna do is basically I'm gonna use my Huda Beauty. Guys, if I show y'all the palette, y'all just like, because honestly it's Rachel. It's Rachel, and even look at it right now. Sam did that. Sam ruined my palette. Sam ruined this palette. This palette was not like this in the beginning. Oh, legal and a best aid. Honestly, what I do want though is I want to match my top. I like matching my tops, guys. I like matching my tops. I like doing it. I don't cheat on the things that I do in life. I don't cheat on my clothes. If I am wearing pink, my eyes gonna be pink. If I'm wearing blue, my eyes gonna be blue. If I'm wearing purple, my eyes gonna be purple. If I'm wearing gold, my eyes gonna be golden. Okay, I want something very dramatic. Reason being, I'm dramatic. The reason why I want something dramatic is because I don't have lashes today. This eye's been really reacting, guys. If y'all know me and you watch my videos, y'all notice my ass don't deserve lashes for anything. So, let's get right into it. Okay, first things first, guys. We're gonna use my, can you guys see that? Okay, we're gonna use this brush. This is my brush that blends out the whole operation. So if basically this brush was something in someone's relationship, it would be the psychologist. So blends out the whole operation. What's going on? Are you cheating? Is he cheating? What's the actual problem? Solution. Okay. So, first things first, I think I want a bit of an ombre look. So, I'm going to want my orange. There she is. Orange. Ratchet palette. Y'all better come in my ratchet palette. I swear to God. So, I'm actually going for the peachy, the peachy color on my eyelid like that. Okay, so you can't really see it, but it's more of a base nyana, you see? Color change. Yes, girl. Like this. There it is. So this is the side chick. So if like you in a relationship with someone and like there's a girl finna like rub on your man, like this color right here is the side chick. She's the girl that we can't see. We don't even know about her. Like, we don't even know what the hell hey, how do you say this word? We don't even know hit to halangmu, you know. She's the girl that you kind of have to go on his phone to find out about her. This is the color. This is the girl. Okay, guys, then now we're gonna go on with the actual orange that I spoke about. I don't know. Personally, I feel like sometimes when you go through things in life, you kind of need that little extra now and yana fuck out position. Like, I feel like the orange is the guy that is now in your girl's life. Basically, what happens here is I feel once in a while. So it's like it's the nigga who we know he's around. Like you, I feel like niggas can feel this other nigga around. Like we know he's around. Girl has changed her lifestyle. As a notes, as a dingy. Phone calls, ignoring. I'm not very proud of this color. This is the kind of people you're not very proud of in your life. It's the niggas that you thought like, oh, he gonna treat me differently because now like he knows my situation. Yes, but you know. But I mean, as girls, sometimes you need a little bit of change in your life. And honestly speaking, this is the orange nigga, you know. He's the Oros guy. So proud, not proud, don't really care. But this the nigga that we never thought would actually come change the game, but actually he came and he was like, you know what, get on. And you know, girls, they the ones who started this. They're the ones who started this whole thing of why didn't you just speak to the nigga? She ain't finna do that. So then now she starts calling the psychologist. Why calling the psychologist, girl? Because you know exactly what you did. Blend out the whole situation. I'm trying to fix up my mshato. What mshato, girl? You know this nigga ain't finna get married to you anytime soon because you're a baddie. Oh no, I ain't a baddie. God, hate relationships. Anyway, blend it out. Then the main girl comes through. Me, a queen. What? Boom. With the best color ever. With the best lalela. Mina ngidlale wena girl with the orange. Yeah. So feel so tata uncle operation then. Mina I'm gonna come there, get my man. Can't even see the side chick no more. But you know she there. Planned it out. Psychologist came through. But now I feel like okay, the moves like much money moves. Not money moves, actually pretty broke. Not going to place low orange. Guys keeping up? Yeah. Bless is the guy in the orange. You the chick with the pink from the Miller Rock. People, whoa, what? So now that you guys eventually talk this out, I'm like, okay, you know what, babe, honestly, keep over. I have a blesser. Because now I tell you psychologist. Blesser. So the truth just came out now. Now the psychologist is there trying to make sense out of the whole situation. So let's find orange where I can just cover. She said she was a chick vele intonje. You know, like that stuff never lasts. That stuff never lasts. Like it's always a situation whereby, you know, niggas can't even keep side chicks. They don't understand that us girls, when we come through and we do things, it's not temporary. It's permanent. It's permanent position at the firm. So this is the company. Complicating things now. Anyway, this is what's going on. Okay? Blamed it out through. Psychologist came through and did the things. So main chick na eto to popo back guy available she Taylor. So she comes there, bolts out the whole situation. And then you end up finding out about the side chick because we can see that side chick out of the whole eye. And honestly, no one really cares. And okay, because us girls always flip out. And we realize, you know what? The only people left in this whole operation, the blesser and the main chick. I'm done with y'all. And then now you have, you know, you always have those friends adding their 2 cent pieces, and you just they're like, okay, manje nihlangana vele. But anyway, these spices are always needed. So this is the liquid liner. Okay, so I'm about to do a winged eye And y'all, I ain't even gonna trip, I ain't even gonna lie. I'm not doing this on camera, it's always hard. So we do it off camera, okay? If I really know how to do this, if I really know how to do this, what? If you really wanna know how to do this, ask your friends. Your spicy ass friends that always wanna add their 2 cent pieces. Okay, y'all, so now what I've done is I did do my winged eye. And then what else did I do? Oh, and then I just added a bit more pink at the bottom eye with some eyeliner. Ain't none changed. Bitches, don't carry on talking. Say the same thing. Finna add their own 2 cent pieces. Add on. But these spices always needed. But anyway, so here's the best part of this whole operation. Me. I am the main girl. Okay, no, I ain't the main girl. I don't have nobody. Then this is the breakup. The lipstick is the breakup. Like, say vala yonke lento lena. Say vala, and it find when ukhiphile, main girl still on blast, still popping, boom, look at you. Blazer's there, but the nigga ain't there no more. Don't nobody care about you, nigga, because when you're flopper and my brush just fell. And yeah, because you can't do like, hey, there's no more one impala. Now, who's this now? The lipstick, I did tell her who this is. This is the breakup. This is the end of the whole thing. That's Nandaba. The Salayo, say valid operation manje. Main chick can still see her bless her vibe, can still see him, the 2 cent pieces can still say, wait a minute, nigga. I think this.